What's up? Today we're going to talk about security. In this video, I will show you how to protect your data using Python. But before to start, I want to prove you that this is really important. So here you have a personal code that is using MetaTrader 5, which is the platform I'm using to connect to my trading account. So the passwords here and the logins are really important, sensitive informations. I want these items to be hidden, basically. So what I will do, instead of writing them directly, I will write a path here in order to have them in a file, in a secure file, which is here. And I will just call them, and after I will call the variable here. So basically, this is what we're going to see in this video. So I will close this project and I will open, sorry, the other one, this one. And here, let's say I want a variable, let's say password, to be equals to 15. So now if we print password, we have 15, of course. And I want, yeah, I forgot to write password. And so, okay, here I want 15 to be hidden in this code. What I will do is that first I will create a file, a .env file for a .env environment, so file .env, and in this file I will basically write password equals, and as you can see here, it has a special color for most IDE. This is what's gonna happen. You will have like new variable detected, and so you don't put spaces between equals and password and the variable. And if your variable has like dots and so on, you can put them between guillemets. It will be better. But if it doesn't, let's say 15, it's okay. So here, once I've written the variable and the value of the variable in my .env file, what I will do is that I will try to call my .env file to get this this variable. So first I will import OS here. Then from .env, I will import load.env and find.env. And I will explain you why find.env is usually not important, but sometimes it is, depending on which your IDE, sorry, you're working on. I'm French, so forgive me please for my pronunciation. So here I will load my .env file, basically just by writing this function here, and I will call instead of 15, I will delete 15, and I will call os.getEnv for get environment, and I will call I will write the name of my variable here. So copy and paste, and here normally I will have 15, yeah. So this is magic. As you can see here, 15, it just doesn't appear here in our code, and this is really important if you want to hide sensitive information. So now I will explain you why sometimes you will need this find.env. The thing is, if you're using VS Code or PyCharm, normally you will not need find.env. This function will be useless because by default it will look in your directory and then in the directory above your directory and so on, and it will, you know, go up and up. But in some IDEs, it doesn't do this. And if your .env file isn't in the same directory with your script, basically it will not find it. But maybe you want a .env file that is like common for few folders. And in this case, you will need the find.env function if you're not using PyCharm nor VS Code or another IDE that facilitate a bit the life of the user. So this was really basic. In the near future, we will talk about more complex subjects like algo trading and so on. We will use AI to train models that will execute market orders and so on. So if you're interested in these topics, don't forget to subscribe. And now I'm saying you bye-bye. Thank you for watching.